Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr.Prajna Mattihalli, who is working in Government First Grade College, Dharwad, Karnataka. And I have already discussed simple interest and the solution of simple interest, meaning of compound interest, and how to calculate the compound interest, or when compound interest is amount is given, how to calculate the principal. These all aspects are being uploaded by me in the form of different videos. Please watch all those videos and try to get the knowledge out of it. And here in this video, I'm going to discuss how to solve the problems of compound interest, wherein we are supposed to calculate the rate of interest. Come friends, let us solve the problem and understand how to do it. Here, it is the example of calculating the rate of interest. Here is an example. Rupees 16,000 amount to rupees 29,472.96 in 4 years. Find the rate of compound interest. How to solve this problem? Here, what are the given aspect? Let us first write it down. 16,000, what is it? It is P, isn't it? And what is next? 29,472.96. It is A. And 4 years means it is N. And we are supposed to calculate the R. Here the formula is amount is equal to P within the bracket 1 plus I raised to the power of N. This is the formula of compound interest amount, calculation of amount. We have to put the values in this formula and we can calculate the rest out, isn't it? Here what is A? We can write it down, 29,472.96. And what is P? That is also given in the problem, 16,000. 1 plus I and the raised to the power of N. N is here 4. So we are writing the 4. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate the I, and I is nothing but R into, or R is equal to I into 100, isn't it? So I, how it is calculated? That is R divided by 100 is equal to I. Here, now with this solution, we can go further. That is, now 1 plus I raised to the power of 4 is taken to the right hand side. And what is left out? 29,472.96 divided by 16,000. So the answer is 1.8421. This is 1 plus I raised to the power of 4. Now, we have to remove this 4, that is raised to the power of 4. We have to remove the 4. What to do? To remove the 4, on both the sides, we have to multiply by 1 upon 4. Therefore, now the 4 is removed from one side and another side 1 upon 4 is left out. That is 1.8421 raised to the power of 1 upon 4. Now, how it has to be done? That is 1 plus I is left out, and here 1.8421 raised to the power of 1 upon 4. In the calculation, if we are doing it on the calculator, because in the examination only simple calculators are allowed, we cannot take the scientific calculator. So what we can do is 1.8421. Immediately we have to press the, that is square root. Okay, what we have to press? 1.8421. Immediately next we have to press the square root twice. 2 times we have to press the square root and we will get the answer. That is 1.1650. And now 1 plus I is equal to 1.1650. Let us keep only I. Let us take this 1 to the other side and it becomes 1.1650 minus 1. So 1 and 1 is removed and 0.1650 is left out. It is the I, not R. So now R is equal to, that is, what is I into 100? 0.1650 into 100. So the answer R is 16.5%. I hope you have understood how we have calculated. Let us solve one more problem so that it will be more clear for you. Here, rupees 8,000 amount to rupees 13,992.05 in 4 years. So find the rate of compound interest. What is given in the problem? What is this rupees 8,000? It is P. Amounts to means 13,992.05 is the amount. A is equal to. Now, 4 years it is N. So we have to calculate the R. That is, first we have to calculate the I, then we can convert it into R. What is the amount? A is equal to P within the bracket 1 plus I raised to the power of N. So we have to put the values. A means 13,992.05. P is 8,000 and 1 plus I, we will keep like that only. And raised to the power of N means it is 4 years. Again here, we can bring this 8,000 to the other side. 13,992.05 divided by 8,000 is equal to 1 plus I raised to the power of 4. And the answer is 1.74900,625. Now we have to remove the 4. So in both the side, we are bringing 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. Therefore now 1.74900,625 raised to the power of 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 plus I. Again here it is 1 upon 4. As I have already mentioned, you have to press 2 times the square root sign on the calculator so that you can calculate the 1 upon 4. Okay. If it is 1 upon 2, we would do 1 time the square root. Now it is 1 upon 4. So 2 times we have to press the square root. 1.74900,625. Then press 2 times the square root sign so that we will get 1.15. That is equal to 1 plus I. Now bring this 1 to the other side and I will be left out. So now the 1.15 minus 1 it becomes is equal to I. Therefore, I is equal to 0.15. And how about the R? It can be calculated by multiplying 100 with the I. That is 0.15 into 100. So we are getting 15% as the rate of interest. I hope you have understood how we have calculated it. And let us solve one more problem. That is here 2,000 amounts to rupees 3286.06 in 3 years. Find the rate of compound interest. Here once again we are taking P is equal to 2,000 and A is equal to 3286.06 and N is equal to 3 years. And our interest is to calculate the R. Once again, write down the formula. A is equal to P within the bracket 1 plus I raised to the power of N. What is A? 3286.06. What is P? 2000. And 1 plus I we have to keep like this. Here N is 3. And now we will bring the 2000 to the other side. So 3286.06 should be divided by 2000. And the other side, what is there? 1 plus I raised to the power of 3. So the answer is 1.64303 we have got. And now our interest is to remove this 3. So it should be multiplied by 1 upon 3. Both the side we have to take 1 upon 3. So our interest now is to remove it. So now it is 1 plus I because 3 is removed. And the other side 1.64303 raised to the power of 1 upon 3. Now what is the answer? 1 plus I is equal to 1.17999999. So it can be taken as 1.18. 1 plus I is equal to 1.18. So I here is equal to, we have brought 1 to the other side. 1.18 minus 1, that is 0.18. So once again, we are interested in calculating R, not I. So R is equal to I into 100, 0.18 into 100, that is 18%. So my dear friends, we have followed 3 problems of calculating the R, and I hope you have understood how we have calculated it. For any clarifications or for any improvement, please give me the feedback. And in my next video, I'm going to solve the problems of calculating the period, that is N. So, dear friends, let us be in touch with uh, as far as the commercial arithmetic subject is concerned, and let us solve some more problems also in the days to come. And thank you for cooperation.